Ever stared at a QuickBooks screen, a sea of numbers and unfamiliar terms, and wondered if you'd need a secret accounting decoder ring to make sense of it all? You're not alone. The question burns in the minds of entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners everywhere. Can I really learn QuickBooks without an accounting background? Let's be honest, the word accounting can trigger a cold sweat. It conjures images of complex formulas, endless spreadsheets, and the looming fear of tax audits. It feels like a language spoken only by the initiated, those who've dedicated years to mastering the mysteries of debits and credits. But here's the thing, QuickBooks was designed for you. Yes, you, the person who's passionate about your business, not necessarily passionate about balancing ledgers. It's a tool, a powerful one, but a tool nonetheless. And like any tool, it can be learned, practiced, and mastered, even without a formal accounting education. Think of it like learning to drive. You don't need to be a mechanical engineer to operate a car. You need to understand the basics: gas pedal, brakes, steering wheel, traffic laws. Similarly, you don't need to be a certified public accountant to navigate QuickBooks. You need to understand the core functions, the essential features, and the logic behind how it organizes your financial information. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What is accounting and why does it feel so intimidating? At its core, accounting is simply the process of recording, summarizing, and reporting financial transactions. It's about tracking where your money comes from, where it goes, and what you own versus what you owe. It's the language of business, a way to translate your operations into quantifiable data. QuickBooks automates much of the heavy lifting. It's designed to simplify these processes, to make them accessible to people without formal training. But it's not magic. It requires understanding some fundamental concepts. Let's break down some of those concepts without getting bogged down in jargon. 1. Income and expenses. These are the bread and butter of your business. Income is the money you earn, expenses are the money you spend. QuickBooks helps you track both, allowing you to see your profitability at a glance. You'll learn to categorize these transactions, which is crucial for generating accurate reports. 2. Assets and liabilities. Assets are what you own: cash, equipment, inventory. Liabilities are what you owe: loans, credit card balances, unpaid bills. Understanding these concepts is essential for creating a balance sheet, a snapshot of your company's financial health. 3. Chart of accounts. This is the backbone of your QuickBooks file. It's a list of all your financial categories, like income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. It's like a filing system for your money, and QuickBooks organizes it for you. You'll learn to customize it to fit your specific business needs. 4. Journal entries. This might sound intimidating, but it's simply a way to record financial transactions. QuickBooks often automates this, but understanding the underlying principle of debits and credits, even at a basic level, is beneficial. 5. Reports. QuickBooks generates a variety of reports, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. These reports provide valuable insights into your business performance. You'll learn to interpret these reports and use them to make informed decisions. Now, the question remains, how do you learn all of this without an accounting background? 1. Start with the basics. Don't try to learn everything at once. Focus on the core functions you need to manage your day-to-day operations. Start with setting up your chart of accounts, entering income and expenses, and generating basic reports. 2. Utilize QuickBooks resources. QuickBooks offers a wealth of resources, including tutorials, webinars, and help articles. Take advantage of these resources to learn at your own pace. 3. Online courses and tutorials. There are numerous online courses and tutorials specifically designed for beginners. These courses can provide structured learning and guidance. 4. Practice, practice, practice. The best way to learn QuickBooks is to use it. Enter your real-world transactions, generate reports, and experiment with different features. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. 5. Find a mentor or community. Connect with other QuickBooks users, either online or in person. Sharing experiences and asking questions can accelerate your learning process. 6. Focus on the why, not just the how. Understanding the underlying accounting principles, even at a basic level, will help you use QuickBooks more effectively. Don't just memorize the steps. Understand why you're performing them. 7. Don't be afraid to outsource. If you're feeling overwhelmed, consider outsourcing some of your accounting tasks to a bookkeeper or accountant. They can help you set up QuickBooks, train you on the basics, and provide ongoing support. 8. Leverage the power of templates and automation. QuickBooks offers templates and automation features that can streamline your workflow. Learn to use these features to save time and reduce errors. 9. Understand the importance of reconciliation. Regularly reconciling your bank and credit card statements with your QuickBooks records is crucial for ensuring accuracy. This process helps you identify errors and prevent fraud. 10. Embrace the learning curve. Learning QuickBooks takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't understand everything immediately. Be patient, persistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.